My name is Khadija Omar, and I'm from CBC News.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be working with a renowned ecologist, Taz Egan.
We will begin by interviewing her in her home. Let's begin. Hello.
Wow, nice house.
Thank you. Come on in. So, Taz, I want to start the interview by asking you a personal question, if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Well, it's not that personal, but how much do you make in a year?
I make annually $75,000. Most people coming straight out of schooling who are going into research positions and jobs like that will start off with $40,000. But once you work longer and get different tasks, you kind of make more money.
Okay, that makes sense. What about your typical day? How does that go as an aquatic ecologist?
Well, the one thing that I love about my job is that I can it's a self-regulating job. I go on a day-to-day basis and I'm all over the place, really. One day I'll be in a lab conducting research, and then the next day I'll be in Guatemala looking at the coral reefs. And it's a very fun job.
Okay. How long did it take you to become an aquatic ecologist?
After post-secondary school, I went back for my master's and my PhD, and that took roughly 6 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. So you've been working for, you said, how long?
I've been working for about 10 years now.
Wow. And this is my last question, do you like your job?
Oh, I love my job. It is honestly so much fun. You know, it's not just those sitting in the lab all day conducting research. You actually see the differences. You see the change in the habitats. You see all these things and you're just like, wow, like the earth is truly an amazing place. And being able to look at specifically the water and how it affects us as human beings so much, because our lives depend on it so much and people don't even realize it.
Thank you. Wow, this is such a beautiful lake. This is how we're going to be working with today.
Follow me and I'll show you what we're working on. I'm taking this beaker and I'm going to fill it with the water from the... So I've collected substances from the lake and now we're going to send it back to the lab to be tested. Would you like to come and try? A lot of aquatic ecologists study the bacteria that are found in these areas. They also study the human impact on these areas. Like if you take a look around over here, you can see all of these bottles and plastics and stuff that have been put near the water.
So we're gonna need to put our goggles on.
Okay.
Okay, now. So once the sample has been sent to the lab, we need to test the pH level.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna dip in litmus paper and let it dry for a little bit. We can see that it's starting to turn slightly orange, and we're going to put it against the pH scale to match
I see.
what color it would be. And according to the scale, it's roughly around a 6. So 7 means that it's neutral. Anything below from 1 to 6.9 is acidic, and anything from 7.1 to 14 would be basic.
Okay.
So this water is slightly acidic, and there's many factors that can make that happen to the water, and I think the main contributor to the lake over here was because of the snow. Our job as ecologists, aquatic ecologists, to find out the relationship between the organisms and living things and the water, and also humans' impact on the water.
And to make sure it's not too acidic or too basic.
Yes.
This is Khadija Omar reporting from CBC News. Thank you for having me today. This was a very, very insightful experience. Thank you.
Oh wait, I forgot my glasses.